There was a time in my life where everything fell apart. And for a while, I blamed everything around me. I blamed the circumstances, the timing, the people. I looked for every excuse to avoid the truth. When you're in a dark place, it's easy to feel like a victim. It's easy to think that the world is against you. But excuses don't build a future. They only keep you anchored to the past. Until I asked myself one question: what could I have done differently? That's the hardest question to face, but it's the only one that matters. Because that's where your power lives. Accountability isn't about guilt, it's about ownership. It's realizing that if you are the reason things fell apart, then you're also the only one who can put them back together. Rebuilding isn't dramatic, it's gritty, it's hard work. It's the decision to pick up the weight when everything in you wants to set it down. Like this sandbag carry, it's one step at a time. It's small decisions, repeated consistently. It's showing up when nobody is watching. It's the daily grind that builds the strength for the big moments. Ownership is the first pillar. You stop looking at what happened to you, and you start looking at what you're going to do about it. You take the wheel. Real change happens quietly. It starts in the morning. It starts with how you treat your first hour. It's the discipline of the small things that anchors your day. In the habits nobody sees. Writing down your thoughts, confronting your fears, and planning your progress. This is where the blueprint of your new life is drawn. And then there are the moments of fire, the finish line, the proof that you are stronger than you thought. You get to jump without the miles of mud and struggle. Progress is the second pillar, moving forward daily, even if it's just an inch. As long as the direction is right, the speed will come. I know what it feels like to think your life is over, to lose direction, to question your future. I've been there, staring into that void, to wonder if you ever become yourself again. But the truth is, you don't become your old self. You rebuild into someone better, someone forged by the fire. Positivity is the third pillar, not a fake smile, but a choice, choosing better thoughts, choosing to believe that rebuilding is possible. Most people think transformation happens overnight, but real change happens in the responsibility you stop avoiding. In the work you finally decide to do. Purpose is the final pillar, rebuilding with direction, knowing why you're doing the work. That's why I created POP, a place for mindset rebuilders, a place for accountability, growth, and real positivity. Your life isn't over. You're just getting started. Welcome to the Power of Positivity.